Do you ever feel nervous when speaking English, even after years of learning? Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm here to guide you through today's episode where we'll unlock simple yet powerful tips to boost your English skills.
And I'm Jack. Together, we'll walk you through real-life tips and stories that'll make English easier and more fun. Today, we're focusing on improving your listening and conversation skills with a friendly health check dialogue. Let's get started.
Jack, one of the hardest things for English learners is listening to real conversations. People speak fast, and sometimes it's hard to catch every word.
Absolutely. When I first started, I felt overwhelmed watching English videos or chatting with native speakers. But I learned a simple trick. Focus on the key words in a sentence, not every single word.
That's a great tip. For example, if someone says, I went to the doctor for a health check, you just need to catch doctor and health check to understand the main idea.
Right. It's like your brain doesn't try to do too much at once. And listening to friendly, everyday conversations, like the ones about health we use today, really helps.
Don't worry if you don't understand everything at first. Missing some words is normal. Just listen a little every day. 10 minutes a day can make a big difference.
Now about speaking. Many learners feel shy or nervous. I remember feeling stuck because I was afraid to make mistakes.
Me too. But the trick is to think like you're chatting with a friend. No pressure. Start with simple sentences like, how are you? Or, I feel tired today.
And practice those sentences often. Repetition helps build confidence.
You can practice alone by recording your voice or with a language partner.
Also, after listening to a short conversation, pause and try to repeat what you heard out loud. It helps both listening and speaking skills.
Pronunciation is important too. Clear pronunciation helps others understand you and helps you understand English better.
Try shadowing. Repeat immediately after a speaker, copying their tone and rhythm. It's fun and effective.
Building a habit is key. Start with a small daily goal, like 5 minutes of speaking or listening.
Make your learning environment comfortable. Watch shows, listen to podcasts, or talk with friends in English.
And remember, mistakes are part of learning. Don't be afraid of them. Each mistake helps you improve.
Keeping a notebook or phone app with new words or phrases is a great idea. Review them often.
Imagine you're at a doctor's office for a health check. You might hear simple questions like, how are you feeling? Or, do you have any pain?
Let's try an example. Jessica, if a doctor asks, do you have any allergies, how would you answer?
I'd say, yes, I'm allergic to peanuts. Or, no, I don't have any allergies.
Perfect. Clear and simple answers.
If the doctor asks, how often do you exercise?
I'd say, I exercise 3 times a week, or I try to walk every day.
Great. Practicing these phrases builds your confidence for real conversations.
Let's role play a quick health check conversation.
How are you feeling today?
I feel a little tired and have a sore throat.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't.
Have you had any allergies or illnesses recently?
No, I haven't.
See? Simple and useful.
Practicing this kind of dialogue helps you get ready for real-life situations.
Okay, do you want me to continue? I'll write the next part if you say yes.
Jessica, many learners fear making mistakes and hesitate to speak. How can they overcome this fear?
The first step is to change how you think about mistakes. They are your teachers, not your enemies. Every mistake helps you learn.
Yes. When I started, I spoke as much as possible, even with mistakes. That helped me get comfortable.
Start with short sentences you feel confident about. For example, I like apples, or I am happy today. Then slowly add more words.
Practicing with a patient friend or teacher is helpful. They can gently correct you.
If you don't have a partner, record yourself speaking. Listen and try to improve.
I like recording myself reading dialogues and comparing with native speakers. It's fun and useful.
Build small habits. Speak 5 minutes a day about your day or hobbies.
Keep it fun. Talk about things you love.
On listening, English speakers talk fast. How do you deal with that?
I focus on chunks of words, not every single word. It helps me understand faster.
For example, went to the doctor and health check are chunks you catch instead of individual words.
Using transcripts while listening helps. Read and listen, then listen again without reading.
This trains your ear for natural English rhythm.
Don't expect to understand everything right away. Patience is key.
Let's try listening practice. I'll say a sentence slow and then normal speed.
Okay.
I have a headache today. Slow. I have a headache today. Normal speed.
At normal speed, it sounds more connected.
Yes, this is called connected speech, where words link naturally.
Learning connected speech helps your understanding.
Notice this in shows or videos.
How do you stay motivated to practice daily?
Setting a routine helps. I pick a fixed time like morning for 10 minutes.
I like variety. Podcasts one day, speaking practice another.
Small goals like 5 new words daily help too.
And rewards, like watching your favorite show after practice.
Apps are good for practice, but nothing beats real conversation.
Real conversations make English natural.
Back to health check. If the doctor asks, "Do you have chest pain?"
Answer, no I don't, or yes, sometimes. Point if needed.
Clear answers work best.
How to improve pronunciation without a teacher?
Try shadowing. Repeat right after the speaker.
Echo their tone and rhythm.
Use online dictionaries with audio.
Record yourself and compare.
Relax your mouth and tongue. Tension makes sounds harder.
5 minutes a day helps a lot.
Want me to keep going? Let me know. Today, we learned how to focus on keywords for listening, practice simple speaking sentences, and build daily English habits.
We also talked about overcoming fear, practicing connected speech, and using role play for real-life conversations.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video.
Subscribe to the channel.
Leave a comment below.
And most importantly, practice what you've just learned.
Thanks for listening to Achieve English Podcast channel. See you next time.